Hey, I'm Mark, and today we got a unique log. I got two mantles out of one. Got a nice knot feature, and it's bookmarked, so it's a matching pair. This will be sold as a matching pair. Some of our customers have an inside mantle, and then they have a mantle on the outside on their patio. They'll burn in the summertime just for the ambiance of a fire. So even the sawmill marks are going to match on the two mantles. I'm just going to take a nip off the top, put it in the drying rack. Now if we could figure out something to do with those. Bookends.
A spoon, maybe.
Appreciate y'all watching.